Good morning students. Welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are doing good. So let's start our class. In the last class, we learned about the solar system. What is the solar system? The sun and its family are called the solar system. And how many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. And what are the 8 planets? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, today we are going to learn about the inner planets of the solar system. We all have families. हमारी families होती हैं. Okay, some are small families, some are big families and some are extended families. उनमें कुछ family कैसी होती हैं? Small होती हैं, big होती हैं और extended families होती हैं. So all these family members do not always live together. और ये सभी families के member हमेशा एक साथ होते हैं? No. Some live with us like our mother, father, brother and sister. उनमें से कुछ member क्या होते हैं जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहते हैं like our father, mother, brother and sister. While some live far away from us. और कुछ members ऐसे होते हैं जो हमसे दूर रहते हैं like our cousins. So it is the same case with the solar family too. तो यही same case किसमें होता है? Solar family में. In the solar family, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are closer to the sun, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune live far away from the sun. That is why Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets of the solar system. Okay, because they are closer to the sun. These 4 planets are also called terrestrial planets. और इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Terrestrial planets. Why? Because they are made up of hard rocks. क्योंकि क्या होते हैं? Hard rocks मिलकर बने हुए हैं. Okay, इसलिए इन्हें terrestrial planets और rocky planets भी कहा जाता है. Let us see all these 4 inner planets one by one. First is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet in the solar system. Mercury is the innermost and the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury क्या है? सबसे innermost है and smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury is the closest to the sun. Mercury क्या है? sun के पास में है. That is why in daytime it becomes very hot and at night it becomes very cold. ये sun के पास में इसलिए क्या होता है? दिन में ये बहुत ज़्यादा hot होता है and night में उतना ही cold होता है, उतना ही ठंडा होता है. Mercury has no atmosphere. Mercury में कोई atmosphere नहीं है. So it cannot support any life on it. इसीलिए life को support नहीं कर सकता है. Okay. Mercury does not have any moon or rings. Mercury में कोई moon और ring नहीं है. Okay. Now let us see second planet. Second is Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. Venus is a planet which is called a twin planet along with Earth. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Twin planet because it looks very similar to Earth in shape, size and weight. Because ये क्या है? Earth से बहुत similar दिखाई देता है. इसमें shape, size and weight है. There is a difference between Earth and Venus. That is, Earth rotates from west to east, anti-clockwise. Okay, and Venus rotates east to west, clockwise. Venus has another quality that Venus is called a evening star. Venus को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Evening star. Why? Because it looks very bright in the Earth planet is. So Earth is our home planet. Okay, let us see. Earth is the third planet in the solar system, and it is a unique planet. And why it is a unique planet? Because it supports life. And why it supports life while other does not support life? Because Earth has air, water and all atmosphere, which is the most important for all big beings to survive. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, एयर, वाटर एंड एटमॉस्फेयर है जो ऑल लिविंग बीइंग्स के लिए नेसेसरी है. ओके, ऑल्सो अर्थ इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लू प्लैनेट. अर्थ को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ब्लू प्लैनेट. व्हाई? बिकॉज 71% ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस कवर्ड बाय वाटर. क्योंकि अर्थ का जो 71% पार्ट है किससे कवर्ड है? वाटर. सो व्हेन वी सी फ्रॉम द आउटर स्पेस इट लुक्स ब्लू इन कलर. और जब हम अर्थ को आउटर स्पेस से देखते हैं तो कैसा दिखाई देता है? ब्लू कलर का. ओके, एंड अर्थ हैज ओनली वन मून. अर्थ में क्या है? ओनली वन मून, जो नाइट स्काई में देखते हैं वो. ओके, एंड दिस मून इज द लार्जेस्ट अमंग दोज ऑफ द इनर प्लैनेट्स. नेक्स्ट इज मार्स. Mars is a fourth planet in the solar system. It is made up of reddish rock. ये किससे मिलकर बना होता है मार्स? रेडिश रॉक से. That is why it is called red planet. इसलिए हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Red planet. Okay. Mars is the coldest planet among all these inner planets. और ये क्या है? सबसे coldest planet है among these all inner planets. And Mars has two moons. Mars में कितने moons हैं? Two moons. Okay. Let us revise once again. What are the inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planets. And why they are called inner planets? Because they are closer to the sun. ये sun के पास में होते हैं, इसलिए हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Inner planets. Okay. First one is Mercury. It is the first planet in the solar system and it is the smallest planet and Mercury has no moon. Okay. Now next is Venus. It is the second planet in the solar system. It is called the evening star. And why it is called the evening star? Because it looks very bright in the evening sky. Now next is Venus has no moon like Mercury. Next is Earth. It is the third planet in the solar system. It is called a blue planet. And why it is called a blue planet? Because 71% of the Earth's surface covered by water. And Earth has only one moon. Okay. Now next is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system and it is called the red planet. And why it is called the red planet? Because it is made up of reddish rocks. क्योंकि क्या reddish rocks से मिलकर बना होता है. Okay. And Mars has two moons. और Mars में कितने moons है? Two moons है. Okay. I hope you understood this topic, the inner planets of the solar system. That's all for